it's been a pretty lame month. Nothing really got done down there. A few little things, but for 85% of the month, nothing got done because it's been 1 degree out and lack of motivation on everybody's part. And I pretty much have been working every single day, and I try to just focus on that. And I can't really be down there a lot when I'm working. So we did get a few things done. We'll just go down and check it out. All right. As you can see, there's a bunch of siding in here. Uh, Not too much has gone on in January because there has been, I've been busy. I've been tattooing all day, every day pretty much. I have 15 sheets of drywall in here because got a new basement door on there. That wasn't there, I don't think. But the den has started to be gutted. This is going to be done this week. The utility closet that's in there is getting done as well. All of this should be done this week. The kitchen just needs like some baseboard, and the trim needs painted and some touch-ups on the walls. And then I'm going to throw some cabinets in here later on, but at least the kitchen will be done. So there'll be a fresh canvas ready for cabinets. Now, as far as this goes up here, the bathroom has been gutted. I mean, I know for a whole month of January, it's not a crazy amount, but it's better than nothing, I guess. This tub needs to go. I didn't realize that it was, I thought it was porcelain. It can't be busted up. So, yeah, I'm not sure. We need a new window in here. But yeah, the bathroom is about ready. A couple little stupid pieces of trim need done, but I wonder if they threw everything out here. Oh yeah, here's where the bathroom is. Yeah, that's cool. By any means, I guess. Doesn't matter as long as it's done. So, yeah, that is pretty much the progress of January. It has been the coldest January that I can remember. I mean, I don't think it's hit above 3 degrees. It's been extremely cold. Like I'm very thankful that the heat's been staying on and we haven't run out of oil yet. I just ordered more. It's literally $350 every couple weeks for 100 gallons of oil. But we are so close. I'm trying to drive this home by March. In the month of February, I want to finish the inside of this house. That is the goal. I don't want it dragging on anymore. It's just been a year of this, and I'm just ready to be done. But yeah, we did get some siding done, so let's go check that out. Got half the front of the house sided. I mean, it's just been so cold, you can only do so much. There's, a foot of snow out here. It's, like I said, it's been a solid, we got some of the side over here done too. I mean, part way up the house there. But, you can only do so much due to this weather being so frigid. I mean, just standing out here right now for 2 minutes filming this, my hands are, they're gone. Like I can't feel my fingers to even hit the record button. So let's go home and we'll finish this up. So my expectations for next month. Uh, I mean, in a short amount of time, a lot of stuff did get done there. Like just in the past 2 days, the bathroom got gutted, the den's gutted, and you know, at the very beginning of the month, I think there was a day where some siding went on. I can't even remember. It might have been last month. I mean, you guys watch these videos. I would have to look back, but the goal is 100%. I don't care what it takes. I have the money to do it. I just want to get it done. The inside of that house is getting done in the month of February so that March and April I can focus on the studio and getting the house sided, finished sided, and it's going to need a roof. I'm going to need to get the well hooked up still. There's some work that needs to go on in the basement. You can smell oil, a hint of oil in the house because those tanks leak a little bit. They're old. So I need to replace the tanks down in the basement because if I have guests staying in there or anything, it can't smell like an oil filled. I mean, I can even smell it on myself when I come home and stuff. So that's unacceptable. But it's keeping the house warm for now, so it is what it is. The cost of oil is killing me. It's so expensive, and it goes up like $25 more every single month. I noticed they take advantage of the cold weather. Like the colder it is out, the higher the price of oil is there. I noticed that, which is, that's kind of ridiculous, but that's the world we live in. Supply and demand. But yeah, hopefully I have more progress to show you guys next month. Like I said, this is just a log for me to personally look back on. No one watches these, really, a few of you, but yeah, I just like to see month to month so that I can see what all went on every month of this project. So, all right. Well, we'll see you on the next one.